Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I am back with the first box that, or item that I'm gonna unbox is from Eyescream Beauty. I've been getting the box, but this month I got the bag because I had a palette in here that I wanted, and this is only $12.50 plus like shipping. So I thought that was a great deal, and they still had it available, so it may still be available. Today is, what's today, the 18th of October, I think? Something like that. I didn't even bring my phone out here. Yeah, I think it's October 18th. Let's see. 19th. This Thursday, October 19th. And I just ordered it like the beginning of the week probably. So if you want to try to get it, you can maybe still get in. So it comes in a little pink, like plastic kind of casing, and it has the breast cancer thing on here. And my mom did have breast cancer, and she beat it a few times, but then, you know, then it spread, and she had kidney cancer, and like, yeah. So I support the breast cancer people. So they do nice things. So the palette that I was wanting was the Gourmand Girls Warriors of Pink. And I know that Christina, the owner, her friend is the one that they collaborated on for this palette, because she has a friend going through breast cancer and treatment. So it's going to a good cause, and it's a really pretty palette. So I just wanted to share this one with you really quick, and then I'll do the other box too. And then it came with like a pink gloss and another kind of gloss. I don't think they don't give you a card with this. It just says Pink October Research Moves Us Forward. A portion of the proceeds of this bag will be donated to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and I prefer them over the American Cancer Association. Just my personal preference. Both of my parents died from cancer, so I've had it in my family. So if you want this one, you can probably maybe still grab it, and I'm just planning on canceling it for next month because I just wanted the palette. So I like her palettes, they're really nice. So then next up we have the box. This is the Eyescream Box, and it's like EYE and then Scream, in case you're like looking for it. I don't have a code, but I do have a code with Gourmand Girls. I think it's Tracy 10. And then there's like just research, like, you know, if you're looking to sign up, just like what is it, Eyescream Beauty Box, and in the YouTube thing, and it'll give you like a list maybe of people. I know Yari G, YARI and then space G has a code, and also Hot Mess Mama has a code. So there we go. Lily is here whining. Oh, let me see. Today, what I have on. I have on something that's over there. It's the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance palette that I unboxed in my Trend Mood box. So you can check it out here or here. I don't remember what side it's on. So that's what I have on my eyes today. And this is 7:30 p.m. and I've been gone like since early this morning, and I was really kind of shocked when I looked at my makeup. I was like, wow, like it still looks good. It's still, you know, shimmery, and I was really surprised that all of my makeup held on so good. So I was like, well, I still look okay. Let me go hurry up and film those videos, because I'm gonna be gone tomorrow on Friday. So we're gonna be doing something. I don't know, my boyfriend's like, oh, are you gonna be able to come with me? And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna come, like, of course. So my boyfriend's name is Don, and I did post a picture of us on Instagram. If you're not following me, you can follow me over there and you'll see a picture of us. So that being said, the first product in the box is the Rodeo Drive Highlight, and I do already have this, so this will go to my daughter or someone. And that is the Graveyard Smash palette by Wicked Widow Cosmetics. I have heard of them before, but I've never had one of their palettes. And it says that this is, I don't have my glasses out here, you guys. $36. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, there's the front of it. It's really cute. So yeah, I've been gone all day today running around, and yeah. Okay, let's take the plastic thingy off. There's that palette. I have so many palettes that like I'm like, okay, which one do you guys want to see? Which one do you want to see? And like I'm not good at editing, so I don't really know how to like just do the look and then just cut the camera. I don't know. I don't know how to do that. So I need to, I guess, I know how to edit like a little bit, but not, you know, very much. So that's why I usually try to do it like in one shot. So that was $36. And then we have the Blackout Color-Based Primer from Beauty Creations for $5. So eye primer, I will probably pass that one to my daughter too, because I have a ton. You guys know when you get these boxes, the stuff adds up like really quick. So that was that. The next day, pH Changing Lip Gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics, $20. That sounds kind of high for, this is not it. Oh, did I not? I guess I didn't get it. It's not in my box. Oh well, okay. So that wasn't in the box. And then we had the Rodeo Drive highlighter, and that is $22. And then we have, this is a liquid blush from Delancey Cosmetics, and it says it's $25. And then, oh, maybe, is this this must be the pH adjusting. Thought it was like a glitter eyeliner or something. Okay, so that's it. They always turn like super bright pink on me, and like I don't, it just seems like it turns the same on everybody. Let me know in the comments if yours is the same. This packaging is really cool. It's like a rectangle. So this is, what did it say? Oh, a blush. I guess you could probably use it as a blush or a lipstick. So that's a nice color. It goes good with the palettes, the other palette that I just showed you guys. And then we have this Delancey, or not Delancey, who is Illuminati pH Color Changing Lip Gloss. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll try it, maybe I won't. Not sure yet. So that was it, what's in the Eyescream Beauty Box and the bag for this month. So the bag is $12.50 and the box, I think it's $25, and the shipping is free every month with the box. So if you're interested, go check it out. I've been really happy with the boxes that I'm getting, and I heard that the other box that I get, the one that has all of the stuff from one brand, AIA Beauty Bundle, they said they were coming back in October, and I haven't seen anything, so I'm keeping a lookout for them to see what they're up to, but they haven't come back, so I got the bag instead in the box from that company. And next up is going to be BoxyCharm. So if you're here for the BoxyCharm, it's coming, or you've already watched it. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Lily is over here whimpering. She's, you know, she can't be by herself. Oh, you can see her. Maybe you can. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, click the bell, be notified of future videos. If you're a regular here, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. I know it's been kind of sporadic, but I go in like spurts, I guess. I don't know. So, you know, when you have a new boyfriend, they like take up all your time. And then my sister, and, you know, like, we just get carried away with stuff, you know? Like, and then you're just like, so I was feeling it today. I'm like, okay, let's go, Lily, because like can't leave her in the room because she'll like whine and you think someone's dying. So her hearing is going out because like before she could hear the garage door roll up, and I can sneak all the way up to her to the gate at the room, and she's laying there, or she'll be under the blankets, and then I say, where's my baby? And then you see the blankets moving, and like she's trying to get to the surface, you know, and then she like pops her little head out. And then once she knows you're home, like don't try to go back out to the car to get groceries because she knows you're here, and then she stands at the corner of the bed whining. Is that you? Yes. See, that's me. I'm guilty. See, that's me. I'm the guilty one. Yes. She's a good girl. So, anyhow, I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.